The new generation Delta M300 compact drive offers outstanding features and capabilities to satisfy customer application requirements. The Delta M300 Series includes the MS300 Series, MH300 Series, and ME300 Series. Several application presets, micros, are available to facilitate drive setup for commonly used applications. There are 6 major reasons to choose the Delta M300 drive. It offers excellent capabilities, compact design, easy installation, strong system support, flexible applications, and safety and stability. Its high-performance capabilities support IM and PM motors. Compact design. The Delta M300 provides powerful features in smaller sizes that allow side-by-side installation. Built-in USB port. Edit and copy, upload and download through USB without the drive power on. Spring clamp terminal blocks provide fast and easy wiring. A DC 24-volt external power card ensures uninterrupted communication. Built-in PLC capacity provides basic programming with ISP Soft. Versatile communication interfaces include built-in RS-485 Modbus and various other communication interfaces. The IP40 model protects against dust and other particles. An integrated safe torque-off function ensures personal and equipment safety and saves cost and space. The Delta M300 Series is certified internationally and recognized by global customers. Delta provides a global service network with fast support and after-sales service. The new generation Delta M300 compact drive is your key to greater competitiveness and success.